Can you solve this expression before I do? So 20 divided by 5, bracket 2 plus 2. So here 20 divided by 5 times 2 plus 2, which is 4. So 20 divided by 5 4 is 20. 20 divided by 20, which is 1. But this is the wrong value for this expression. So here we use PEMDAS rule for solving this expression. In this, you have to remember multiplication division both have equal priorities, therefore go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So write down the expression, which is 20 divided by 5, bracket 2 plus 2. So here first we'll solve this parenthesis. So 20 divided by 5 times 2 plus 2, 4. As you know, division and multiplication both has equal priority, therefore we go from left to right. First we'll solve this part. So 5 4 is 20. 4 times 4, which is 16. So 16 is the correct value for this expression.